Welcome. In front of me is a HAFURY GT20, and today I will show you how you can bypass the Google verification on this device. So before I get started, I'm just going to quickly mention, you can see that the phone I have right here is locked. It's telling me to draw the pattern that was previously set on this device to unlock it, or I could use a Google account instead. Now, assuming I don't know either of those, I'm just going to simply show you how you can bypass this and then completely remove it. So, to get started, you want to connect to your Wi-Fi, although actually thinking of it, I don't think that's actually a necessity. I am connected though, so I will point that out. Now from there, we're going to back out to the first page right over here. I'm going to select emergency call, then emergency info, select edit, tap on the owner, and then under this like account icon thingy thing, you can tap on it and you can select choose an image. It will open up this Google Drive or whatever that is. We can then select the three bars right here, as you can see, and hold power or hold photos. This will then take us to this kind of view of app info, and in here we want to now select, let me just quickly check which option I need to click on. So we're going to select permissions, then the search bar, and you're searching for settings. Scroll all the way down and you will find settings right over here. You want to click on it, select open. In the settings, you are looking for apps and notifications, and then you want to select app info. As you can see, there is 35 apps installed. We're going to click on it and we're going to select the three dots and choose show system. You're looking for Android setup in the system processes, so there's one. There's actually two. As you can see, there's one literally above it, but we're looking for the one with the little settings icon. So click on this one, select force stop and OK. Then go back and scroll down to Google Play Services. There we go. And here we're going to select disable app and force stop. Oh my god, that was way too loud. There we go. So once we have disabled the two different things, we want to now back out. Just start spamming the back button till you get to the setup page. And now we're going to go through the setup. We're looking for specific thing. Once you see the copy apps and data, you want to go back. And here you should see setup offline. If you do, right now, don't click on it. If you do, we're going to back out again and we're going to retrace our steps. So again, you want to click on the emergency call, tap on this twice, and then select the edit option, owner, drop down, choose an image, three bars, hold photos, permissions, search, settings, select your settings up, open it up, apps and notifications, app info, show system, and find Google Play Services again. There we go. And we're going to select enable. And again, we're going to back out all the way. I'm going to now select start again. Skip. Again, once it shows you this page, we're going to go back. And this time around, we're going to tap on the setup offline. Continue. Next. Now from here, we can actually finish up the setup, so just skip everything that you can. And once you have your home screen open, you want to navigate to your settings, then scroll all the way down to System, Advanced, Reset Options, erase all data, and then press on the erase all data once again to begin factory resetting your phone. Now the reason you want to do this, even though you already have access to your home screen, is because the device is still locked. So performing a factory reset of the device through settings will force the device to fully unlock itself. And that's why I'm telling you to do this as a last step, even though you have access to your home screen. Now, I'm not going to go through this on the video just because it's a simple factory reset of the device and it shows literally nothing. Once it's completed, you're just going to be presented with Android setup screen, and that's about it. And from there, you can set up your device however you like. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.